Have you ever met someone you're highly attracted to and obviously to you, the feeling is mutual? And somehow, again, you notice he is finding it difficult to approach you, maybe for lack of confidence or an adequate pickup line, and you desperately wish they would come over to you. In this video, you will get to know how you can grab their attention and attract them to yourself without saying a word.
Number 1. Use open body language to show you're open to talking. People approach others more easily if they look approachable. Show you're open to dating with open body language. According to psychologist and human behaviorist Dr. Monica of Webster University, it's not always the good-looking people that get approached the most, but those who show availability and confidence through basic flirting tricks such as smiles, eye contact, and posture. Keep your chest and torso open when you notice someone eyeing you seductively. Don't cross your arms, don't shy away, just respond with a sweet childlike smile. That is magnetic.
Number 2, grooming and dress sense. Take your dressing and grooming seriously. Maintain good hygiene, apply light cologne and deodorant, but above all, smile easily when you notice someone has noticed you. Good hygiene is a big turn-on, and expressing who you are through your clothing can make you feel more confident and approachable. Remember, dressing is a premium. It speaks volumes of you even before you speak. Above all, wear what makes you happy and confident.
Number 3. Good eye contact. Maintain good eye contact once they look your way and don't be afraid to smile. Researchers have discovered that lovers look into each other's eyes 3/4 of the time they are talking. When you do approach them, try to look into their eyes for most of the time during the conversation. This can release phenylethylamine, which increases serotonin in the brain, a chemical associated with feelings of love.
Number 4. Sweet childlike smile. A study has revealed that smiling can make you more attractive than you are naturally. Women who smiled most of the time were seen as more sexy and more beautiful than those who rarely did. So, remember to smile, especially when your eyes meet.
Number 5. Participate in activities they enjoy. If you have a crush on your colleague, classmate, or just anyone, find out a group they belong to or an activity they enjoy. It may be the school band, piano lessons, yoga, or whatever. Join the group and start practicing. Our brains are wired to want to spend more time with those we love.
Number 6. Hang out with friends. Studies have shown that people are more attracted to someone who seems to be loved by many others or have a group of friends and appears in their midst rather than on their own. This is called the cheerleader effect. Researchers like Vool, Edward and Walker Drew have proven this fact. People look more attractive and get even more noticed while chatting with a group of friends. Nevertheless, make sure you're approachable at some point so they have a chance to talk to you.
Maintain eye contact. Don't shy away. Return the smile. Don't cross your arms. Dress to impress, and wear deodorant, especially when you are out on a date. Now let's talk about date and the best behavior for it. Follow the following rules.
Number 1. Respect. You must trust each other's intentions, and that starts with respect. Healthy couples thrive on communication and mutual respect. If you notice your date being disrespectful, let them know that it's a problem for you or otherwise recognize it might not work. Remember, respect is reciprocal.
Number 2, allow intimacy to develop naturally. If you discover you like someone a lot on the first date, then it's time to control yourself, exercise some restraint, and don't tell them yet. Yes, while honesty is important, revealing too much too soon can add unnecessary pressure or even scare the other person away. Allow the intimacy to progress naturally. Take it slow, a little at a time, step by step, and share your feelings gradually.
Number 3. Don't be too strict with your preference. If you think your perfect partner has to meet all your criteria, you might be wrong. Just because your date doesn't share all your interests doesn't mean they can't be the perfect match. Maintain an open mind and be ready to connect on a deeper level later.
Number 4, communication. Communication and respect go hand in hand. Be honest about who you are and how you feel. If something makes you uneasy or uncomfortable, say it. If you enjoyed the date, say so. Honesty is crucial, but avoid overwhelming them with your deeper feelings on the first date.
Number 5, be your current self. Focus on your current self rather than your past. Your date wants to know who you are now, not who you were in the past. Avoid talking too much about past mistakes or past relationships. Let them see the person you've become. The relationship is still too young to overbear it with tales of the past.
Number 6, don't pretend. Don't pretend to be someone you're not. Be real. Be yourself. You want someone to be attracted to the real you, not a version of you that doesn't exist.
Number 7, conversation for 2, not 1. God gave us 2 ears and a mouth that we might listen twice as much as we speak. Don't spend the whole time talking about yourself. Consider your partner or date. Give them the chance to speak too. Ask them questions and listen. It's about mutual compatibility, and you won't know who they are if you don't let them speak.
Number 8, don't be a gold digger. Ensure you're in a relationship for the right reasons. Don't let external pressures dictate your choices. Be with someone because you connect with them on a deeper level, because you are capable of loving them, because they are good enough for you, and because they truly make you happy.
That is it for today on this episode. Tell us in the comments below, how will you attract someone without saying a word? A smile? Eye contact? The cheerleader effect? Which of these tips will work more for you? Are you still in the dating world searching, or have you already found your special someone? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and share it with your friends who might need these dating tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more advice, tips, and other exciting content. Thank you for watching. Until next time, continue to build your library of love and may Cupid, the god of love, lead you and yours safely through the garden of roses.